Hey guys, welcome back to Destroying. Today we have this 1996 DSL 8-digit calculator. And sorry I haven't done one of these videos in a while. It's just because I haven't had anything to destroy. But when I picked this up for 95p, yep, 95p, it's actually dirt cheap. It's because it's a little bit broken, but no worry, let's destroy it anyway. And over the years it's yellowed a bit. Remember that other calculator video I did with those friends of mine? Well, let's hope we can get over 80 views. Yeah. Also, did I mention that because this is made in 1996, this calculator is over 22 years old now. Wow. Let's get started. Just do this right. Already, that's done damage. Right. Oh, it's shut off. Okay, some weird artifacts. Only 2 numbers work, and barely. Uh-oh, I believe it is dead. Damn. Well, that wasn't too hard, was it? Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And no matter how much mess you've made, make sure you always clean up.